Hi, welcome to the Sassy Spoon. We're doing frijoles. These are going to be refried beans, but I'm only going to do about half of them refried. So I'm going to leave some in the Instant Pot whole like this, and we'll be doing some other things with them later. But right now I'm going to cook them. They're just soaked, so they're not soft yet. They're just barely cooked. So what I did was put them in the Instant Pot on the saute and brought it up to a boil and then turned it off, put the lid on, and let them just sit for about an hour and a half in the cooking liquid. Then I drained that. So that's where they are right now. And that way, that makes up for a soaking overnight. So you can soak them overnight if you want to. Some people do them in the Instant Pot without even soaking them, but I think that they're more tender if you do this process. So now I'm going to season them a little bit, and just a little bit, and cook them. And then we're going to put them in a iron skillet with some manteca, which is rendered pork fat, and we'll cook them down a little bit and mash them up. So here we're going to do, and I'm just going to do a little shake here. We're not measuring really. So this is ancho chili powder. I'm just going to put a little bit in here. And some salt. A little sea salt. We'll just shake some in. It's probably going to be about a teaspoon. Not a lot. Then this is New Mexico red chili powder, one of my favorite seasonings. And we're not making chili here, so we're not putting a whole lot in. Again, probably about a tablespoon this time. You can always taste it and add more. Don't put too much in. Then I'm putting 2 cups of homemade chicken broth in. You could also use beer if you wanted to. And I have some Lawry's garlic salt, one of my favorite seasonings. Just a few shakes of that. Probably a teaspoon if you're measuring. And some coarse ground black pepper. I have another pepper seasoning that I'm really loving right now. I'll show it to you. That's just a teaspoon of that. This other one that I use is an orange pepper. And it's made by Badia, which is a Cuban company out of Florida. And I'm not sure if you can find it where you live, so I'm not saying you have to put it in here, but I love it. And it is orange, a little garlic, and some pepper. I'll just put a couple shakes in. I love it. It's just really bright and fresh. Okay, so that's all we're putting in here. We're going to stir it. And then we'll put the lid on and put it on the bean and chili setting. And just let it cook. And once it's cooked, we're going to take some of them out and put it in a frying pan. Make sure and turn this all the way around so that, make sure you can see that. Turn this all the way around so no steam will escape. Push bean and chili, and it's on 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, we'll do an active release and take some of those beans out and put them in here. It is really good if you use beer instead of the chicken stock, but I like it with chicken stock too. So we'll come back later and take some out. Biscuit has to go out.
Okay.
We're almost there too.
How many biscuits? Here's yours.
No? I didn't know it was my job to clean. Huh? I did. I didn't know it was my job to clean your shoes. I'll do yours in the morning.
I don't think she'll have to go out again.
No, she should be fine.
Huh? She does. She does it for me. Sometimes you have to grab it.
Yeah. Like every time?
Pretty much.
Okay, those beans are so good. No, I gotta do the corn mixture, so.